Welcome fellow travelers. Today I'm going to show you the 7 best places to travel in Switzerland. Ready for an adventure? Let's dive right in. First up we have Zermatt. Known for the iconic Matterhorn mountain, Zermatt is a paradise for skiers, hikers and anyone who loves stunning alpine scenery. The village itself is car-free, making it a peaceful escape. Don't miss the Gurnegrat Railway for breathtaking views. Next on our list is Lucerne. This charming city is famous for its preserved medieval architecture. Stroll across the Kapellbrücke, the oldest wooden-covered bridge in Europe. And if you're up for a little adventure, take a boat trip on Lake Lucerne, or ride the world's steepest cogwheel railway up to Mount Pilatus. Now let's head to Interlaken. Nestled between Lake Thun and Lake Brienz, Interlaken is the adventure capital of Switzerland. Paragliding, skydiving, water activities, you name it, Interlaken has it. And for a more relaxed pace, take a scenic train ride to the Jungfraujoch, the highest railway station in Europe. Our fourth stop is the vibrant city of Zurich. As Switzerland's largest city, Zurich offers a mix of modernity and history. Explore the charming old town, shop along Bahnhofstrasse, or take a dip in the crystal-clear waters of Lake Zurich. And if you're a museum lover, the Kunsthaus Zurich and Swiss National Museum are must-visits. Fifth on the list is Geneva. Home to the United Nations and Red Cross, Geneva is a hub of international diplomacy. But beyond its political significance, Geneva boasts a beautiful lakeside setting. Wander through the Jardin Anglais, admire the Jet d'eau, or take a day trip to the picturesque town of Montreux. Oh yes, I almost forgot to mention, I've included some great travel-related links in the description below. I have included everything from resort and hotel booking to car hire and travel insurance. I hope you find these links useful. Next, we have the Bernese Oberland region. Here you'll find some of Switzerland's most dramatic landscapes. Visit the enchanting Lauterbrunnen Valley with its 72 waterfalls, or take a cable car up to the Schilthorn for panoramic views. And don't forget to explore the charming villages of Grindelwald and Wengen. Last but not least, we have the city of Bern, the capital of Switzerland. Bern's medieval city centre is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, with cobbled streets and 16th century fountains. Visit the Zeitglogge Clock Tower, the Bear Park and the Federal Palace. And for art enthusiasts, the Zentrum Paul Klee is a must-see. There you have it, the 7 best places to travel in Switzerland. Pack your bags and get ready to explore this incredible country. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel inspiration. I really appreciate your support. Happy travels, everyone!